So I finally got some wireless Go 2 microphones, and this is the first recording with these microphones. I mounted them on my boom through a adapter. In an earlier video I showed you I made a Joby adapter, and now I made a Joby to Rode adapter. Let me show you. So this is a possibility of the Joby to Rode adapter. I just clicked it on the Joby GorillaPod, and this way you can monitor your audio level. You can detach it easily. Yep, there it went. So this is the mount. You can also turn the mic the other way if you like, or you can switch positions, mic over here and then the receiver over here, and then you have it like this. And because of this homemade Joby mount adapter, I can put my smartphone on this one and the mics and receiver on this one, like so. Yep, connected. So that's what you can do with the Joby to Rode adapter. Use it any way you like. The transmitters and receiver have a clip with 6 pointy dots for grip. The grooves and slots in this adapter facilitate a quick and sturdy mount, making use of these dots.